Hi guys, another video, another tutorial about Kdenlive titling. Today I made a title like a horror film like title. I started searching for a cool font. In this case I used the String 12 font and a soundtrack, a scary soundtrack. Well, first thing that I do is using the position and zoom tool. I reduce it a little bit, 10% the starting of clip and leave it 100% to the end. This makes this appearing zooming effect most common used on horror films. After that, I place the two fade in and fade out effects directly on the main title to increase the fading in, fading out effect. After that, I add the two wipes, wipes 1, wipes 2. Using the standard Claude Luma, increasing the softness to everything can choice available, but it's not it's necessary to change the standard softness, because if I reduce the softness there are these pixels on title that are not nice to see. Increasing softness, okay, something like that. Can be nice. And after that I added the Smarblur effect, just the parameters. Just to smooth a little bit the border of everything, and that's all. Nice.